Welcome to Math 20 Video Lecture Series. Sa video ito, ipagpapatuloy natin ang discussion sa pagsasolve ng triangles. Dun sa previous video natin, inaral natin kung paano mag-solve ng right triangles. Sa video naman na ito, kahit anong triangle na, mapa-right or hindi right. Okay? So, bago pala tayo mag-start, pansinin nyo naman ang aking bagong chair. Ayan, nagkaka-budget na po tayo kaya meron tayo pa-fancy chair. I love it. Okay. Thanks, Direk. So, recall natin yung itsura ng triangle natin, ha? So, itong triangle na dinodrawing ko is not necessarily right. So, mag-apply ito to any triangle. So, let's say this is alpha, beta, gamma. Katapat ni alpha is A, katapat ni beta is B, katapat ni gamma is C. So, we want to find the relationship between the angles and the lengths of the sides. Pero not necessarily a right triangle ito. So, ang gagawin natin, gagawa tayo ng perpendicular drop from this vertex. So, perpendicular drop 90 degrees. And we will call the length of that to be H, or the height. So, isosolve lang natin si H. Okay, gamit yung alam natin sa right triangles. So, this is also right. Okay, so, kung titignan natin ito, sin alpha, sin alpha is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So, H over B, and kung si beta naman yung titignan natin, sin beta is equal to opposite over the hypotenuse. So, H over A. H over A. And let us compute H sa parehang equations. So, here, H is B sin alpha. Dito naman, H is A sin beta. Okay? And let us equate. So, B sin alpha is equal to A sin, it must be beta. Beta. And divide both sides by AB. So, cancel, 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 cancel. Meron na tayong sin alpha over A equal to sin beta over B. At ito na yung tinatawag nating sine law. At pwede mong baliktarin yung triangle, yung orientation niya, para makuha na sin gamma over C. Okay? So, let us summarize. So, re-write ko lang. So, given this configuration ng triangle, sin alpha over A is sin beta over B, sin gamma over C. Oops, gamma yun. Or pwede mo naman kunin yung reciprocal ng lahat. So, A over sin alpha equal to B over sin gamma equal to C over, it's sin beta. C over sin gamma. So, ito na yung tinatawag nating law of sines o sine law. Okay? So, pareha lang ito ng sinasabi. Okay, so let's do one quick example. So let us solve the triangle with C equal to 8, alpha equal to 45 degrees, and beta equal to 60 degrees. So hanapin natin yung nawawalang angles at nawawalang sides. So, let us draw the triangle. So, let's say this is alpha. So, that is 45 degrees. Katapat ni alpha is A. We don't have A. Let's say this is beta. Beta, meron pala tayong beta, 60 degrees. Katapat ni beta is B. And gamma Do we have gamma? Wala tayong gamma. So, this is gamma katapat ni gamma C, which is 8. Gamma. Ano ba yan? Yung gamma ko. Okay. So, madaling isolve yung gamma. So, unahin natin yun. So, gamma is 180 minus this and this. So, gamma is equal to 180 minus 105. So, 75 degrees. So, meron na tayong isa. Okay, i-highlight nga natin yung mga na-complete na natin. Okay, so meron na tayo nun. So, next, gamit tayo ng sine law. So, tingnan natin si ito, tsaka ito, at tsaka ito meron tayo nito, tsaka meron tayo ito. So, itong apat yung titingnan natin. So, ang nawawala si A. So, sabi ni sine law, A over sine 45 degrees is equal to C over sine gamma. So, ang C natin is 8 over sine gamma is 75 degrees. So, meron na tayong value ni A. Multiply both sides by sine 45 degrees. So, this is 8 sine 45 degrees over sine 75 degrees. Okay? So, supply natin yung values. Sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. But, kailangan pa natin itong compute, no? Sesegue muna tayo ng sine 75 degrees. So, gagamit tayo ng tawag dito ng sum identity. So, this is 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. So, this is sin cos sin. Sin 30 degrees 1 half. Tapos, ito square root of 2 over 2 plus cosine 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. Sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Which is, anong sagot dito? Square root of 2 over 4 plus square root of 6 over 4. Okay, so that is our A. So, A is, this is 4 square root of 2 kasi cancel, magiging 4. Yung ilalim, square root of 2 plus square root of 6 over 4, which is times 4 over square root of 2 plus square root of 6, which is 16 square root of 2 over square root of 2 plus square root of 6. Okay, so this is our A. So, meron na tayong A. Okay? Okay, so next, ang hahanapin na lang natin is beta. So, we apply again, sine law. Pwede na ba akong alisin dito? Alisin natin ito. So, B over sine 60 degrees. So, B over sine 60 is equal to, gamitin natin si, equal din siya sa 8 over gamma, no? So, 8 over gamma. 8 over gamma. 8 over sine gamma. Or B is 8 sine 60 degrees over sine 75 degrees. Actually, pwede may plug in sa calculator na lang yan, no? Kung allowed mag-calculate. Okay, but let us do this manually. Sine 60 degrees is square root of 3 over 2. And over sine 75 degrees, may value tayo nun. Square root of 2 over 4 plus square root of 6 over 4. And anong lalabas dyan pag sinimplify natin? So, pag sinimplify nyo to, just like kung paano sinimplify ito. So, to save time, gamit tayo ng calculating device. Square root of 3 over 2 square root of 2 plus square root of 6. That pala dyan sa iPad ko na lang ginawa. Okay, so it turns out hindi pala kaya ng calculator kung i-simplify yan. So i-simplify na lang natin. Okay, so we get 4 square root of 3 divided by square root of 2 plus square root of 6 over 4, which is 4 square root of 3 times 4 over square root of 2 plus square root of 6, which is 16 square root of 3 over square root of 2 plus square root of 6. So that is the value of B. Okay, so that's how we use a sine law. So ngayon naman, i-discuss na natin yung cosine law. So again, we have the same triangle. Ganun pa rin yung configuration. But, bago yon, parang mas gusto ko na ganito siya i-discuss bago natin ibigay yung cosine law. Or pwedeng ito na lang para less yung letters. So, ganito yung titignan ninyo. You have an angle. Tapos, pare ganyan. So, meron kang side, angle, side, or meron kang SAS. So, yung relationship ng tatlong iyan ay katapat ni gamma is C. So, C square is equal to A square plus B square minus twice ng product nito cosine nung angle in between. So, ito na yung tinatawag nating law of cosine. Okay? At pwede mong balik na rin yung triangle, no? To get the following. Kung ang titignan natin ay si beta, tas ito yung side, ano mangyayari doon? We get B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine beta. And kung ang titignan natin ay si alpha, yung side na ito, so A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine nung angle. Ito yung angle. Okay, so yan ang law of cosines. Okay? So, bigay tayo ng one quick example lang. Let's say, magdi-discuss tayo more of this sa next video natin. But I want to give an example lang. So, let's say this is 45 degrees and this is 10, this is 20. So, using yung law of cosines, let's say we want to find this side na itago natin sa pangalang x na lang. So, x square is equal to square of this plus square of this minus twice ng product of the sides. Cosine nung angle. So, x square is 100 plus 400 minus 2,000. Cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. So, x square is equal to 500 minus 1,000 square root of 2. Na 200, sorry. It's 200 times 2, that is 400. Ano ba yan? Di marunong mag-multiply. Okay. And then 400 over 2 is 200. So x is square root of 500 minus 200 square root of 2. Okay? So, that ends our discussion on law of sines and cosines. Dun sa next video natin, i-discuss natin ay kapag binigyan ka ng some information about the triangle. Example, binigyan ka ng length ng sides or measure ng interior angles. Ang tanong, ilang triangle yung possible nating mabuo? At kung anong law yung gagamitin natin, kung sine law ba or cosine law to solve for the missing angles and sides. So, see you on our next video.